Hi, the syllabus for civil service preparation is always a nightmare for many people. In fact, if you look at the syllabus and if you are not so familiar with the whole thing, you may think that almost everything under the sun is required for civil service exam. But if you look at the syllabus and the previous year questions given, there are clear-cut classification. We can classify the whole syllabus into various modules. Of course, it may be 15 to 18 different modules will be there. For example, if you are talking about history, we have ancient history, medieval history, art and culture, we have modern history, we have freedom struggle, post-independent history, world history. So that itself, 5-6 different modules can easily be identified from history alone. If you come to geography, we have world geography, we have Indian geography, environment, general geography. So that comes to almost 4 of them. So like this, we have 17-18 different modules can be identified. And we need to have some sort of classification. Otherwise, you will never have that sense of completion when you prepare. And in our program, we are always focusing on completion of the syllabus. That's very important. As a beginner, you will have to take up all the modules. There is no choice for a beginner because without completing the syllabus, you cannot imagine of clearing this exam at any cost. But there are so many people who might have started this preparation long before. You might have joined one or other institute in due course of time, and they might have taught you something also, but you don't have that sense of completion, or in that particular institute they might not have completed the syllabus properly, and some of the areas they might have left out completely unattended. So in such case, we are looking forward to offer you some module courses also. For example, we would like to offer you an exclusive module only on Indian Constitution, polity and governance. Similarly, geography, world geography, Indian geography, general geography put together one module. History can be another module. International relations, bilateral relations can be another module. Maths, mental ability, reasoning can be another module. So like this, we would like to offer you module courses also, but this is only for those who have already done something. Already you have some, you have already studied and you are comfortable with many areas. There are certain areas where you are not comfortable. For that, we are also offering module courses. Say, take the example of international relations and bilateral relations. We have, especially when you read newspaper, you have always this confusion what to read and what not to read. Say, in the syllabus, if you look, India and the neighbors are given. Then India's relationship with the major powers are given. International institutions are given. So, say, for example, South China Sea, or the Belt and Road Initiative by China, or the CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. So like this, an endless number of topics are there. Now, the border skirmishes between India and China in Ladakh region. So if you take that way, we have so many topics which are emerging in our newspaper on a day-to-day basis. And if you look at the previous year questions, we can see that these questions are not that innocent. It is not that easy. Where analysis is asked, you have to analyze and give an in-depth answer of such questions. So to answer those questions, you need to have a good understanding also. So in these packages, we are offering you specific modules where we go in depth, and you will not be having any difficulty in answering any of these questions which are coming in the previous years. In fact, you can cross-check with the previous year questions also. After listening to the videos and the course, you can also cross-check with the previous year questions, and you will realize that all those questions are easily answerable after going through our program or going through our module. So we are offering this for those veterans or those who have already studied something, but at the same time, those who are beginners, those who are starting to prepare for civil services, you have no choice. You should not be thinking of taking up a module because it will be suicidal for you if you are studying only history and leaving geography or vice versa. It can be disastrous for those who are beginners. But those who have already done, those who have gone through the process a couple of times, still no success, you have this module option also. So look for our module programs.